Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening signature settings immediately. In Desktop Outlook, choose File, Options, Mail, then Signatures. In Outlook Web, open the gear and view all Outlook settings, then Compose and Reply. Make sure you have your logo image, full name, title, phone, and any legal text ready so you won't interrupt the flow. Once the editor is open, paste plain contact text first to establish structure. Then insert the logo and format spacing, so alignment stays consistent across devices. You now design and format the signature so it looks professional in every client. Use a one-row table to lock layout. This prevents shifts in mobile or different mail apps. Set font size to 11 or 12 points and pick a web-safe font so text renders reliably. Once the table is in place, insert your logo in a cell, add Mailto and website links, and attach social icons with alt text. Make sure to test how the signature appears in both desktop and mobile previews. You finish by saving and assigning the signature to new messages and replies or forwards, then send several test emails to your own desktop, web, and mobile addresses to confirm consistency. If spacing or line breaks look wrong, edit the table cell padding or remove extra paragraph marks. If the logo is missing, replace it with an HTTPS-hosted image or reinsert at 72 dpi to reduce blocking. If problems persist, clear cached versions and repeat the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.